Just checked into Harrahs. This is what the room looks like. Here's the bathroom. That's the door for the bathroom. Full-length mirror. There's a TV on the wall. Safe. The dresser has a few marks on it. Definitely been used. There's iron in there if you want to iron. There's the ironing board. Another mirror. Let's see if we can see outside. The sun's kind of bright. Okay, good morning everybody. Just wanted to give you an update on this bathroom here. Unfortunately, this shower, because they put a shower curtain in here, the floor became literally half flooded from water because I guess coming out from the shower curtain, I don't know. So I had to use most of the towels, as you can see, they're all hung up, to clean up the mess that was on the floor. See, there's, I don't know if you can see it, but there's still a little bit of water on the floor. But, and also, there's no vent in this bathroom. That's a shame. So pretty much you'd have to leave the door open to get some air in here. Other than that, it was okay. I'm on my way to see the pool. It's located on the second floor. They have a nice wading pool for kids, and then they have a full-size pool for adults. I did enjoy my stay at Harrahs. It was rather nice and quiet.